Patio doors do more than connect your indoor and outdoor spaces. They shape how your home feels, functions, and flows. The right patio door style can brighten your living areas, improve accessibility, and enhance overall design. For homeowners in Washington, choosing the best patio door style means balancing aesthetics, space efficiency, and everyday usability. Sliding patio doors. Sleek and space-saving sliding patio doors remain one of the most popular choices for modern homes. These doors glide horizontally along a track, making them ideal for areas where space is limited. In Washington homes with patios or backyard seating areas, sliding doors provide a wide glass surface for natural light and clear outdoor views without swinging inward or outward. Their clean lines complement both contemporary and transitional architectural styles. French patio doors. Classic and elegant for homeowners who prefer a more traditional look, French patio doors offer timeless charm. These doors typically feature two hinged panels that swing open, creating a wide entryway. In Washington residences, French patio doors add character and elegance to living rooms and dining areas. They work especially well in homes with classic design elements, providing both visual appeal and functional access to outdoor spaces. Bifold patio doors. Expanding living areas. Bifold patio doors are designed with multiple panels that fold neatly to one side. When fully open, they create a large, uninterrupted opening between indoor and outdoor areas. Washington homeowners who enjoy entertaining often appreciate bifold doors for their ability to create seamless transitions to patios or decks. This style enhances open-concept living and supports flexible use of space. Multi-slide patio doors. Maximizing views. Multi-slide patio doors consist of several panels that slide and stack behind one another. This design creates expansive openings and panoramic views. In Washington homes with scenic surroundings, multi-slide doors allow homeowners to enjoy the landscape while maintaining modern, streamlined aesthetics. They are ideal for larger walls where maximizing natural light is a priority. Pivot patio doors. A modern statement pivot doors rotate on a hinge mechanism at the top and bottom rather than along the side. While less common, they create a bold architectural statement. For Washington homeowners seeking a unique design feature, pivot patio doors offer dramatic impact while maintaining functionality. Their distinctive movement adds visual interest and modern appeal. Choosing the right style for your layout. The best patio door style depends on your home's layout and how you use your space. Homes with limited interior clearance may benefit from sliding doors, while larger rooms with more flexibility may accommodate French or bifold options. Washington homeowners should consider both traffic flow and furniture placement when selecting a style. Balancing light and privacy. Patio doors bring in abundant natural light, but privacy is also important. Washington residents can choose glass treatments or design options that balance openness with comfort. Frosted sections, blinds, or strategic placement help maintain privacy without sacrificing brightness. Supporting energy efficiency. Modern patio doors are designed with energy performance in mind. Proper installation and quality materials help maintain indoor comfort year-round. Washington homeowners benefit from patio door styles that not only look appealing but also support efficient temperature control. Enhancing curb appeal. Patio doors influence both interior and exterior aesthetics. A well-chosen style enhances the home's overall design from every angle. In Washington neighborhoods, attractive patio doors add value and create inviting outdoor connections that stand out. A smart upgrade for indoor-outdoor living. Patio doors define how your home interacts with the outdoors. For homeowners in Washington, selecting the best patio door style means choosing a design that complements architecture, improves functionality, and enhances comfort. Whether opting for sliding, French, bifold, or multi-slide designs, the right patio door transforms everyday living and strengthens the connection between your home and its outdoor spaces.